Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to talk about something very interesting. I just learned a really nice trick in Canva that you might find very useful. So please watch this until the very end, because in this video I'm going to show you how to add arrows to lines in your designs. You know, those flowcharts or timelines we sometimes make, and our arrows are like very helpful to point the way and make it super clear when things when you want to show some. So no more confusion lines, or you know, when you show lines with arrows to point something important can be very helpful. So I'm going to show you how you can do this in Canva. Make sure you subscribe for more, and let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do first is to click on here, elements. We click on here, elements, and then here in the search bar, if we search, we can search for something specific. We can search for arrows if you want here, but another thing that I can do, and what I'm doing, I think it's more helpful, is you just click on here, shapes. And here in shapes you already have all the lines here, and if I click on this one here, now I can click on here, and here I can line start, and I select this arrow, and then I can select this curved, because I want this curved line, and it's curving very nicely. As you can see, it's dancing right now because it's happy man. I'm gonna happy man. Okay, awesome. And here I have, you can add arrow at the end as well, so it's kind of cool, but I like to without this. Now I want a very lightweight, and add some of this I don't know what it's called in English, you know, not straight, and it's like 1 1 1, you know what I mean. So now look at this line, look at this. This is dancing. This is a snake. Snake, guys.